LinkedIn co-founder predicts the death of the 9-to-5 jobs by 2034, mainly due to the AI and tech developments rapidly increasing, which in the future he thinks that over 50% of the US population will be in the gig economy, where a lot of them will be freelancers, which may not necessarily be a bad thing. They could potentially earn more than a full-time employee and work for many different companies instead of just the one, in different roles and different industries, which also means greater flexibility and potentially no need for your CV or resumes, hence your six-figure university degrees may be irrelevant. But the downside would be job security because you'd be employed on a contract basis. But anyways, who is here to tell us what the future will hold? Well, he successfully predicted the rise of social media, the sharing economy like Uber and Airbnb, and AI even before ChatGPT came out back in 1997. Overall, what do you guys think? Do you think it's true? And are we moving towards this direction? And if we are, how are you preparing for this? Let me know in the comments.
Attention, the robot is coming.
There's a new employee at Flix Brewhouse in Round Rock who's programmed to give it its all.
We're really excited, and it's something that's worked out really well for us already, is we've introduced a robot into our workforce.
It's called Brewster, named after the on-site brewery, and it's the latest food runner for the theater. At Flix, they offer a full menu for those looking to eat while enjoying a movie, and Brewster's job is to make sure that food gets to you. We watched as the kitchen loaded it up with orders and away it went, rolling through the hallways and even talking at times.
La 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 la, I am a little expert in delivering meals.
Is he allows us to more efficiently get the food from our kitchen and service areas to the landing stations in our auditoriums where it's then delivered to our guests.
Brewster doesn't just get from point A to point B, it's also able to detect obstacles like customers and find a swift way around them.
We even tried several attempts to block or get in the way of Brewster. However, it was still able to navigate on through.
I am not afraid of any difficulty.
So no, I don't think we ever envisioned this being something that would be our reality. And not only is it our reality now, it's actually something that's incredibly helpful.
Flix Brewhouse says they made the move to use robot technology when it became difficult to find new employees.
I don't think we're unique in our challenges in this industry or in hospitality in general. I think that obviously given the changes in the world over the last 2 years, a lot of people have gotten into new careers, new fields. You know, the world has certainly changed in some significant ways.
The robotics company Richtech, who made Brewster, says they've seen an increase in businesses like Flix bring in robots to fill positions which aren't being applied to.
It helps take care of the labor shortage going on right now and helps make restaurants and other businesses more efficient.
Brewster and its siblings aren't looking to take over. At Flix, they say it serves more as a tool to help ease the burden on their current staff.
Before, and still currently to some extent, we have team members who are walking miles really in any given day to bring that food to the guests and make sure that it's delivered hot and delicious. What Brewster does is kind of reduce the amount of steps they have to take on a daily basis.
As the demand and interest for going out to the movies increases, Brewster is gearing up to serve. In Round Rock, Steven Sarabia, Fox 7 Austin News.
Will it turn in? Wait, look, it's turning. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Where's it going? What do you do?
To retrieve your order, hold your phone with SMS order
It's so cute. Is that it?
Bye.
Is it bicycle wheels? Look at it backing up. Listen to my dad. This is hilarious. It's so careful. It's going. Okay, thank you. Bye.